The 2024 Range Rover Sport P550e is a game-changer. With its 3.0-liter turbocharged plug-in hybrid engine, it offers a powerful 550 PS. It's a blend of luxury and off-road prowess, making it a standout in its class. The Range Rover Sport boasts a sleek, mature design. Its Firenze red color and black contrast roof enhance its appeal. Despite its compact look, it's still a massive vehicle, offering a commanding presence on the road. The P550e's powertrain combines a turbocharged petrol engine with a 160 kilowatts electric motor, delivering 800 nanometers of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds. While the hybrid system can be sluggish, cruising is smooth and comfortable. Off-road, the Range Rover Sport shines. Its adaptive off-road cruise control and low traction launch make tackling tough terrains effortless. With a 273 mm ground clearance and 90 mm wading depth, it's nearly unmatched in off-road capability. Inside, luxury abounds with leather upholstery and a 13.1-inch touchscreen. The Meridian 3D surround sound system enhances the experience. While the infotainment system requires navigating many menus, it offers comprehensive control over the vehicle's features.